Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 22nd, 2020. This one is a binary puzzle. This will be number 158. Oh no, it's not an 8, it's a 9. 9, oh, it's already 9-0. Yes, let me write it again. 5 and 9, oh, 9, oh. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Yes. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. We have 4 O's now in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then yeah. And now we have 3 1's here. If I place the 4th 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed. This is one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then we need to compare, I think. We need to compare. Yes. Let me see. Yes, this one. And this column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. Otherwise, if I don't switch and I place here a 1 and an O, then I have identical columns. Not allowed. So this is a 1. I need to switch them. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Now we need 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Need to compare again. The question is, do I compare the columns or the rows? Let me see. This column I cannot compare. I see double 1, so I have no double 1's. How about 0101. Do I have 0101 here? 0101. Aha. This column and that column. 0011, 0011. Empty box, 0011. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones, so the rest are ones. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Oh no, O's. No, O. Woo. 1, 2. No, this should be an O. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Oh, made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones and 4 O's. Yes. I'm too fast with writing, but we have 4 O's, 4 O's, 4 O's, 4 O's. Everything is correct. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Almost made a mistake. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last 2 tectonics. Bye bye for now. See you later.